Today we're going to make a smoothie drink using this Mike's Harder lemonade. First I'm going to add some ice to the blender. Then we're going to add the whole can of Mike's Hard. Then we're going to add this container of mango ice cream. I accidentally let it sit out on the table, so it's very melted. And then we're going to add a little bit of lemon juice. And then we're going to add this bottle of kale, spinach, and celery greens to make it healthy. I'm going to add a little tiny bit of lime juice. We're going to add blueberries. And we're going to add the fruit from this fruit tray.
Oh, you're going to take the friggin' things off the strawberries.
No, I'm not going to take the freaking things off the strawberries. No, I think it's too full. I'm going to attempt to put the lid on. I'm probably going to... Okay, I'm going to go blend it up and I'll be back. Here is the drink. Here's our Mike's Hard fruit smoothie.